Okay, hello everyone. My name is Tan Sung Nian. In today's presentation, I will give a brief introduction of software engineering disasters. Uh, in the content, I will give two instances to illustrate. So let's go ahead. The first one, maybe everyone will ask a question: what is software engineering disasters? I think there are three manifestations of this topic. The first is the developed software product cannot meet customer needs. The second one is it is difficult to ensure the quality of software and to realize the potential of hardware. The third one, it is impossible to accurately estimate the cost of software development and maintenance and the software cycle. So this is three manifestation of this topic. So, but why it happened, I think we can consider into the follow three angles. The first one, I think, is unclear requirements. User requirements are always unclear or constantly changing, making it difficult for development teams to accurately understand and implement features, which in turn affects the software quality and usability. Because the users and developers often come from different fields. If users cannot accurately express their needs, the developed software will not meet the customer needs. And the third one is the complexity management. As software scales and features increase, system becomes more complex, making development and maintenance more challenging and resulting in more errors. The third one, I think, is the insufficient technology and tools. Early software development tools and methodologies were not mature enough, lacking effective project management, testing, and maintenance tools, which increases risks and uncertainties in the development process. I think it is also the reason why the discipline of software engineering was born, because we hope to use the ideas of engineering and management to develop software. So then I will have two instances about software engineering disaster. The first one is Mariner 1 spacecraft. First, I will give a brief background. In the 20th century, the United States launched the Mariner program, a space exploration program led by NASA. And in this program, a series of unmanned spacecraft designed to explore the Mercury, Venus, and Mars were launched. And the Mariner 1 was originally scheduled to fly over the Venus and was launched on July 22nd, 1962. But about 5 minutes after the spacecraft lifted off, the rocket carrying its manufactured and deviated from its orbit and was destroyed by the U.S. Launch Directorate. But why this happened? The reason why it happened, it is a simple software error. You can see that in the Fortran loop statement, the original one is the DO5I equals to 1.3, but the programmer writes it DO5I equals to 1,3. It is this punctuation error that prevented the entire aircraft from completing its original mission and ultimately caused it to self-destruct and disintegrate. This is the instance 1. And the instance 2 is IBM 360 OS system. Maybe many of us have not heard about this system because it's too old, but it is a very complex project. This which took over 5,000 people's work each year and wrote nearly 1 million lines of source code, but the result was terrible. The reason behind that is that the developers do not use correct software development method. Every time a new version is developed, a lot of time is spent on modifying the remaining problems of the old version, and many new problems will arise from at the same time. The project leader F.D. Brooks have said that it is like a feeding beast that falls into a quagmire and struggles to its death. The more it struggles, the deeper it sinks, and in the end, it cannot escape the catastrophe. these are two instances I want to share. And the last part I want to talk about how to solve the problem. I think we can also consider as the follow 3 points. First, we can have a correct understanding of computer software. Second one is the user engineering thinking to develop software. I think this is also the reason why we need to learn software engineering this course, because we want to use the idea of engineering and management to develop software. The third one is accumulate effective concepts, techniques, and methods. As we all know, that learn from lessons from the past cases and try to avoid them in the future. This is a good idea to solve this problem. The last one is some reference about my presentation. There are two articles which help me understand the software engineering a lot. So this is my presentation. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.